Some more scrunchie making, I hear you say. Not a problem. Let's get going. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Today I thought I would bring you along as I continue making some scrunchies. I have a craft fair coming up at the end of the month. It's on Sunday the 26th of November at the John Fretwell Centre on Sookholme Road in Mansfield. That's here in the UK. And for these next couple of weeks, I'm very much on I need to prep and be ready for this kind of work. And I posted a video the other day of me making some scrunchies. It was more of a, this is how I do it, let's make a couple together. But I thought I'd actually bring you along while I continue making them. I've got some of the strips that I cut out that have had the ends pre-sewn together. I've also got a tub of elastics that I've already sewn up. And I'm just going to be making some scrunchies. So I will fast forward this and I'm just going to make as many as I can. These are a mixture of different designs, different fabrics. I've kind of gone through my box and gone, right, this is what I haven't got a lot of. Looked on my fabric shelf and seen which ones I can replace and working through them to see how many we can make. So let's get going. beautiful is this scrunchie? So this isn't one that I've got available yet. It's a new fabric. I say new, I've had it a while. It's a cotton fabric that I picked up. It's got like a gorgeous metallic to it, and I just haven't got around to making them into scrunchies yet. It's kind of been sat cut and the ends sewed up, so I thought I would make some for this fair. It's got like these gorgeous fairy wishes, and we have some actual fairies on here. Absolutely love this. I've got a couple of new cotton designs that I'm going to show you me sewing up today, but I did have a couple of questions on my last video asking how I turn these, once I've sewed them around the outside, into my scrunchies, and the simple answer is you pull them through. So where you've left this gap here, you would actually just grab that and pull that all the way through. There we go. So it just pulls through. Stretch it out to make sure it's all come through, and then you just fold that in on itself like so, and then sew a straight stitch straight across the opening, and that seals them shut. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that fabric because I think that's beautiful. So let's carry on sewing. So I'm going to stop there for now. I'm not sure how much this will be once I've quickened it up, but I think in real time I'm about 40 to 50 minutes in. I can't actually sew as quickly as I normally would, because every time I put my foot down on the pedal and make my machine go faster, I can see that it's shaking my camera, and I don't want to make this video too shaky. So I'm going to stop there. We've managed to make quite a few. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've managed to get 14 of them ready. So these are going to go into my bag. I tend to turn them the right way at night time. It's a really good quiet job that I can do while the little one's asleep in front of the telly, and it doesn't disturb him. So I've currently got a bag going together. I think right now we're up to about 50 scrunchies, maybe even more actually. In fact, I think we are. We're probably actually closing up to about 70 now. So once my bag is full, I'll get them all turned through and then get them all closed and sewn up. I am going to get a proper tripod or something so that I can put my camera actually behind me instead of me trying to use my desk arm, because hopefully that will stop some of the vibrations that you guys are getting. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I will keep doing some more sewing videos, but they probably won't be too many until the new year when I can get a tripod. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. There'll be more crafting videos coming up. There'll be some more card making ones, but I also need to get some Christmas bookmarks made. I may make some more Christmas wristlets for the fair as well. And then just before the fair, I am going to do a bit of a video just to show what I'm kind of taking with me. And then when I get to the fair, if I have some signal or some internet, I'm going to try and go live so that you can see me while I'm at the fair, just to show you how my store looks, my tables look and things. If I can't do it live, then I will definitely record it and post that video up after the market. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If you haven't already, please do hit the like, the subscribe and the notification bell, and feel free to share any of my videos as well. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful rest of your week. Bye for now.